Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make payment for Signal exam on Bharat Kosh website. So first write Bharat Kosh on Google and click on the first link. Now click on the first link which is shown. Now you will see this website, the same website. What you have to do is to log in or register. Click on login or register. If you have already paid the fees before for any exam, you already have username and password. But if you do not have any username and password, you can create one on clicking new user, which is shown below. So I have paid before, so I already have a username and password. Now I will log in with the same old username and password. Now you have to enter CAPTCHA. After entering username and password and click on submit, you will get login. After login, you get to see this page. On the top bar you can see make your payment. Select that and select payment to GOI. Again this type of page will open. In category you have to select individual, and in purpose you have to click on the search option. So this window will open. In ministry you have to search for shipping. Now for purpose you have to click on search and it will automatically give you some options. Now you have to select exam fee payable to PO Shipping Mumbai. Wait for some seconds, it will automatically open a new page. Now as you can see, a new page has been opened. So all the details will get automatically filled. Only you have to fill is amount and remarks. Amount you have to fill 1000 as you know for the Signal exam. And remarks you have to fill exam, Signal exam, and the date, month and year, and for which MMD you are applying. Then again enter the CAPTCHA and click on add. Once added, it will show you like this, the added details. Then click on next. It will show you the details what you have to fill, like name, address, country, city, passcode. So you have to fill all the details as per the proof you are carrying with yourself to the MMD. So I am filling all the details. After filling all the details, again down below you have to fill CAPTCHA and then click on next. Enter the CAPTCHA here and then click on next. You will land on a page. You have to confirm the details from here and enter the CAPTCHA and confirm. You will lead to the payment page. On the payment page, once you do the payment, you will get the Bharat Kosh receipt.